Want to use GitHub with CodeRabbit? Here's how to log in. First, open the CodeRabbit app or its extension in VS Code. Click Login with GitHub. A browser window will open. Enter your GitHub credentials and click Authorize CodeRabbit. Once authenticated, CodeRabbit will sync with your GitHub account, giving you access to AI-powered code reviews and collaboration tools. If login fails, ensure GitHub permissions allow third-party apps to connect. What do you think about AI-powered coding? Let us know in the comments. And that's it. You are now logged into CodeRabbit with GitHub. If this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.